대한민국 최고의 배우 중 한 명인 이병헌 배우. 연기면 연기, 영어면 영어, 못하는 게 없는 이병헌 배우의 영어 실력 변천사를 한번 알아보겠습니다. 많은 사람들이 이렇게 얘기를 합니다. 이병헌 배우가 미국 TV쇼에 나와서 영어를 잘하는 건 다 대본을 주기 때문이다. 이미 질문을 다 받아보기 때문에 준비를 다 하고 가는데 누가 못하겠냐. 초등학생도 스크립트 외우면 이병헌만큼은 한다. 이 말들을 다 무색하게 하는 영상이 있습니다. 이 영상은 2009년 영상으로 지금으로부터 15년 전 영상입니다. TV쇼가 아닌 길거리에서 갑작스럽게 시작되는 인터뷰입니다.
Have you done a lot of press for this thing, or is this like?
In Asia, not in Hollywood. This is my first time in Hollywood.
I've heard in Asia they ate this thing up.
It was crazy. It was really crazy because when we walk on the red carpet in Japan and Korea, the Sienna and Channing was freaking out. Yeah, they told me they've never seen this before, so it was really good.
Let's talk about filming this thing. How challenging was it for you?
Huh?
How challenging was it this film for you?
Oh, actually, as you know, this film is based on the cartoon, famous cartoon, but I'm not familiar with this kind of film, SF blockbuster, and especially the character. Character is more like cartoon, so I had to change the style of my acting. So it was a little bit confused at first, but I had a lot of discussion with the director and the producer, so I could enjoy it. Finally.
Can you talk specifically about the fight scenes and how challenging they were and stuff like that?
Actually, I've learned Taekwondo, so mostly Snake Eyes based on the Taekwondo. It's martial arts based on the Taekwondo, but I've never done with the sword before. So I had to learn about the sword skills. So I had to get here like 1.5 months ago, just right before the shooting. So I learned a lot.
I've seen your film now. I really like it, and your fight scene with Ray Park is quite good. Could you talk about how long it took you guys to film it?
Probably it'll take. There are a few fights, so it takes like 1 month or something like that.
I have to wrap up with you, but my last question: what else are you working on right now?
Actually, I'm filming something in Korea, so it's kind of a spy action.
Thank you so much, and congrats on the movie.
Thank you very much.
이병헌 배우의 영어 실력 정말 장난 아닙니다. 심지어 여기서 질문하는 기자는 미국 기자가 아닌 것 같습니다. 알아듣기도 어려운 발음을 하는데 이병헌 배우는 90% 정도 이해를 하는 것 같습니다. 이것만 봐도 이병헌 배우의 영어 실력이 단순 대본을 외워서 하는 영어가 아니라는 걸 알 수 있습니다. 그럼 11년 전인 2013년도 이병헌 배우의 영어 실력을 한번 보겠습니다.
I was so excited by that because I know the character already, but the story will be so different, and and must be a lot of different characters in this movie. So it would be so different, I guess. So that made me so excited, and also when I first read the script, I realized there's some scene. Storm Shadow finally explode his anger, and we realize who's the real enemy and who framed him, everything. So yeah, it was so fun.
So how different an experience was this film compared to the last one?
Of course, there are much more action scenes, much stronger action scenes, and you will see a lot of new characters in this movie, like Bruce Willis, Dwayne Johnson. You will have a lot of fun with those kind of characters, and you will realize the secret of Storm Shadow, and you will see more stronger action scene between Snake Eyes and Storm Shadow.
And you just mentioned sort of Bruce Willis and Dwayne Johnson. It must have been so wonderful to be on set with people sort of that sort of successful and that sort of charismatic as well.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. I thought that. I thought that they must be so tough because they're well-known action stars. But when I first met them, they were so different. They were so gentle and generous and nice and so funny. Yeah, so we had a lot of fun with them.
Of course, as a result of making these movies, you have your own action figure. And I was just wondering if you own one yourself.
I have a lot.
Yeah. Do you ever play with them?
No, I'm not playing with them. I just see them. A lot of my fans sent me the figures.
And of course, you have a lot of action scenes in this movie. I was wondering if you had to do much training before shooting.
Of course. I needed to learn new weapon, and also I need to make my body perfect because it's Storm Shadow and even bigger. So I needed to lift heavier weight, and I needed to take a lot of protein, like more chicken breast. Yeah, that was hard.
You're obviously a very big name in South Korea, but was it always your intention to one day come to Hollywood and make American movies?
Yeah, they're supporting me so much these days. So I could do my best. But yeah, going Hollywood is like a really interesting journey for me. I just want to know what's the end. And I just want to know how much ability I have. Yeah. So I'm trying to enjoy it.
11년 전 2013년도 이병헌 배우의 영어 실력을 보니 놀랍습니다. 일단 가장 놀라운 점이 1대1 인터뷰이긴 하지만 그냥 외운 그대로 말하지 않습니다. 말하기 전에 생각도 충분히 하고 말하는 도중에도 무슨 말할지 정리해서 말하는, 즉 외워서 말하는 느낌이 거의 들지 않습니다. 그럼 8년 전인 2017년도 영상을 한번 보겠습니다.
So once I invited my wife to on set, and then I've never seen her that happy before.
여기서 가장 인상 깊었던 점은 다름 아닌 바로 여유입니다. 방금 전에 봤던 영상에서는 뭔가 조금 지루하고 딱딱한 분위기이고 이병헌 배우도 많은 긴장을 한 것처럼 보였습니다. 하지만 여기서는 다릅니다. 영어로 유명한 헐리우드 배우들을 웃게 하고 있습니다. 한국어로도 한국 사람 웃기는 게 쉬운 게 아닌데 제2외국어인 영어로 유명 해외 스타들을 웃길 수 있다니 정말 대단합니다.
I've been hanging out with her for 10 years. I've never seen her that happy.
이병헌 배우 언어적으로 정말 타고난 것 같습니다. 이병헌 배우는 한양대학교 불어불문학과를 나왔다고 합니다. 그래서 그런지 언어 쪽은 확실히 재능이 있는 것 같습니다. 한국어, 영어, 프랑스어, 일본어까지 잘한다고 하는데 정말 다 가진 이병헌 배우 항상 응원합니다. 영상 시청해주셔서 감사합니다.